Visual acquisition equipment system. Height measurement, weighing, code reading, automatic measurement and collection in the process of goods movement. Through automatic handling robots and fixed data collection systems, we can help you efficiently manage warehouse goods for warehousing and storage. Real-time synchronous upload system of height measurement, weighing, code reading, and other data. Realize efficient and accurate collection of warehousing goods. Forklift truck plus visual acquisition. Visual acquisition equipment system. Visual acquisition plus take pictures on 5 sides applied in manufacturing industry. Take pictures on 5 sides. Upload pictures synchronously in real time. Visual acquisition equipment system. AGV plus visual acquisition. High efficient visual acquisition on cargo information.